and find out more about it. They've only just released it. This is Charlie Wright, this week's number 19.
Charlie Wright lived all his life on the streets of this town, seen all the tears and joy as a man and boy, and now they're trying to knock his castle down. They're ticking off the clocks, they're closing off the docks of this shipyard town. The politicians say, hey, well, you've had your day, now we're gonna tear you down. And 1 o'clock dawn won't fire no more, and the ships won't sail on by the shore. I know children's laughter fills the air, just the toll of the lonely bell for the last house standing on Ilchester Square. Yeah. Charlie Wright will live and die on the streets of this town. A whole way of life will fade and die when they pull his castle down. And 1 o'clock gun won't fire no more, and the ships will sail on by the shore. And no children's laughter will fill the air, just the toll of the lonely bell for the last house standing on Ilchester Square. Standing on Ilchester Square.
Hello.
Huh?
How are you?
What, you want some dick?
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for? I I hate when I hear a breakup song on the radio because I haven't had a relationship since 5th grade, so I have to think of that.
Solden, who was guilty of watching the Brit Awards last night? I most certainly wasn't. I woke up this morning, I looked on my old Facebook, and there's the Brit Awards is shit, and the Bowie tribute was shit, and they done all this wrong, and they done all that. What are you listening to it for? It's crap. You know what I do at the end of every show that I do? I look at how many people listen to my show, right? Because we have stats. And if that tells me the people are listening to the show, then I won't do it anymore. So if we were to do that to the likes of the Brit Awards and the top 40 and things like that, and people just stopped listening to it, then they would have to take it away. So I try my best not to listen whatsoever. I even listen to the likes of Smooth FM in work just to try and avoid all the shite that's being fed down our gobs at the moment. It's absolutely shocking stuff. No, I most certainly wasn't there watching the Brit Awards. I mean, if you remember correctly, when I first started doing the show, I used to do the top 10 official chart every week, and then it just turned into the Justin Bieber, Adele and One Direction show, so that got jibbed anyway. Meanwhile, back at the chart show, number 18 this week, guys, it's Mr. Keith Lally with Turn It Around, and he has most certainly turned it around, and he's turned it around so much he's the wrong side of the chart. He was fighting in the top 4 only last week. Don't know what happened there. This is Keith Lally, this week's number 18.
Looking in her windows, she said, don't get me wrong, now you know I've got nothing to hide. Sometimes it gets hard to know who's on your side. I don't mean to seem so cold, I was just born with a heavy soul. Won't you take this feeling, put it down in the ground? Won't you take this feeling, turn it around? Won't you take this feeling, put it down in the ground? Won't you take this feeling, turn it around? She said, you know that I've always been a melancholy girl. That's just the way that I've always looked at the world. I could listen to the rain falling all night long. If you ask me, I'd tell you that that's my favorite song. I don't mean to seem so cold, I was just born with a heavy soul. Won't you take this feeling, put it down in the ground? Won't you take this feeling, turn it around? Won't you take this feeling, put it down in the ground? Won't you take this feeling, turn it around? Turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it around.
unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound original and unsigned music every Sunday 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Right, and this week at number 17 we see the magnificent Late Night Oil with Moral Fibre. It is down just the 4 this week, guys. This is a cracking tune, this. Yeah, have a go at this. The Late Night Oil, this week's number 17.
Don't you go past your point of no return, Lord. Don't you go out there. The thieves and the tricksters, they are waiting on your heels. Your fear turns to weakness. Yes, it happens to us all. We fall. Yes, it happens to us all. It happens to us all. They get you when you're down. Make sure to wear your high heels. Take the higher road. Each concession made is another dollar paid to the fat cats drinking green. And I'm not exempt from the temptations out there. Try to draw my line in the sand. Hold my hand as we walk the straight and narrow, even though it is a tight road path. You might call me hypocrite. You might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll understand more. People, they will try to turn your head with riches and with fame. Your name on high in bright and shining lights, dizzy in your mind. So be good to your neighbor, reap the fruits of your own labor. Help your fellow man when you can. You might call me hypocrite. You might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll understand more. You might call me hypocrite. You might call me hypocrite. I know I'm not above it all. So come on and take my hand. Together we'll, 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 together we'll understand.
Right, guys and girls, and don't forget to get your gigs listed on the old Mersey Gig Guide. We give you a shout out every Sunday. You will get 11,000 social media followers. You will have 38,000 readers of the Liverpool Link newspaper watching